Right, while I pulled up here, if you have a CRF250 rally or 300 rally, eventually you're going to break some plastics. And I've done that a couple of times. I've had them all replaced. This is sort of quite wobbly, but I smashed this one in Little Desert. And I thought I can't be bothered getting another one because I'll only break it again. So I fixed it up with, I drilled holes and put cable ties in and this tape, and it's not too bad. And down here there's a bolt thing went in there, that's smashed, so that's held together with a cable tie. And yeah, the whole thing was split, so there's more cable ties here. So yeah, if you do happen to smash your plastics and you're looking for a cheap fix, cloth tape blends in nicely, you would never notice it. Black cable ties, it just kind of looks like a nice fashion accessory to your motorbike. So there you go. Not too bad.